Hello and a very warm welcome to you all. Welcome to the second semi-final of the 30th SHIRUI Cup National Level Football Tournament 2022-23 organized by Utsa. This is the second semi-final of the tournament and we have Tangkhul United in red attacking the northern end and United Brothers Football Club in blue attacking the southern end. Tangkhul playing forward for Kangpum. Kangpum looking for the run of Taosang. Taosang miscontrolled the ball and Apam with a vital interception to clear the ball away for Tangkhul, and the final clearance from Tamthing. If you are just tuning in, we are 10 minutes into the match. Both teams haven't been able to break the deadlock yet, so it is all tight and United Brothers are on attack here. Possession given out for a throw-in by Shunjin. Michanso, the left back for United Brothers. Ramsempam was trying to find Kangpum. Bit of a wild pass in the end by the United Brothers keeper, and it's gone out for a throw-in for Tangkhul, taken by Chungmei Achan. As many as 5 players from Ukhrul in the starting 11 for Tangkhul. Raipom, the skipper for Tangkhul, is also a player from Ukhrul. The right back Shunjin Tan.